Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the SPF in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our setup, and from there, we need just to go to email deliverability. So from here, we need just to type deliverability, and here we need just to uh, find some uh, options, and we will need just to uncheck them. So here in the activate bounce management, make sure that it is unchecked, and of course also the enable compliance with your with standards email security mechanisms. And after that, you will need just to go to your domain or developer console or in your domain provider, and then you will need to add the SPF record. And basically the SPF record for Salesforce, it will be something similar to this, or you can have it something similar to this. Depends on if you already have some SPF record, you can include this one, or you can just have this one alone. So depends on if you have already some DNS record or SPF record. And now we can just go and type SPF, and basically let's just copy this one, and from there you will need just to have, for example, some SPF test tool, and then you can check if your SPF uh, domain or SPF record that is working good. So you will need just to add your domain name that you have already added in your here in your organization. You add your IP if you would like, and then you can go and check your SPF if it's working, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.